I'm sure you've been on TikTok recently scrolling through your home feed and you come across a video that's promoting a product, and when you click on it, you can have the option to buy it. What they are doing is TikTok affiliate marketing, and I tried it for 1 month to see if I could make any decent money with it. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what I did, how I got started, and of course, how much I've earned. So let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing I did, of course, is open my TikTok app, and the three dotted lines in the top right hand corner, I clicked on that and went to creator tools, and right here under monetization I just hit TikTok shop for creators, so I clicked on that. And as you can see, there's a couple requirements that you need to start to join this, and of course, to meet our community guidelines, you have to be at least 18 years old, and last but not least, is the hardest requirement for most, is have over 5,000 followers. So to join this, you just have to have over 5,000 followers. So if you want to get started, you do have to have those requirements, but I did for my account. So not this account. This account is just kind of like a spam account for me, but I can't sign them up on my other account. So I just wanted to show you the requirements. So this is the account I was using right here. The first thing I did for this account once I was signed up is I went to TikTok shop, and right here, this is where all the magic happens. You can see your earnings, manage your showcase, product marketplace. So for this, you just want to hit product marketplace, and it will bring you up a bunch of different items that you can promote. So let's say you was in a home and living niche, or electronics, patio, lawn and garden, fashion, whatever niche you're in, whatever type of product you want to promote, you can click on it. And right here, once you click on a product, let's say this charger right here, we wanted to promote this. As you can see, there is a request a free sample from the seller. You can click on this, and this is what I like about this too, about promoting products on TikTok. Not only are you promoting the products to hopefully get you some money, you're getting free products too. You ain't got to pay for this. They ship it to you for completely free. And you just got to make a video within like 10 days, and you got yourself some free products, and you might make some money. So that's already right there. Is a win-win situation where you can't lose. So I just wanted to add that in for you. But let's get back to here. All you need to do is request a free sample, black, and then boom, you hit request free sample. And I actually promoted this product. I made a video for this product, and yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. But that's how easy it is if you sign up to request a product and start promoting. Once you get the products, you can start promoting once you have that link in your thing. So let me show you exactly what I did after I found a few products. I just scrolled through because they got a lot of products. And wait, one tip I do want to give you if you're doing this, go for products that's already trending. I feel like that's the best method to go, because you already know it's working. People want this product. Like this one right here got 51,000 sales already. That's a lot of sales versus one that got 5, because you know how people is. They like to get stuff that other people got. So when they scroll up to buy that product and they see only 5 people bought it, they're like, oh, this might not be that good. But over 50,000 people that done bought this, they probably gonna buy it. They're more likely to buy it. So just take that into consideration. Like this product right here, all natural cream for soothing eczema, or gosh, I'm butchering that word. But as you can see, they have a lot of sales. So just go with a product with a lot of sales is what I'm trying to communicate here. But let's get on to the juicy stuff. So let me back up a couple of times. Let's scroll down. This video right here was my first one. As you can see, you are enough. I finally got the hoodie, and as you can see, it got 242 likes, 8 comments, and right here, if you click on the link, whoever would have clicked on the link, I would have earned $1 if they would have bought the hoodie and everything. And it got over 20,000 sales. It was pretty much my first one. This one right here don't count for the challenge. I did this one like 3 months before the challenge, so that one don't count. But as you can see, that one got 21,000 views. So I was like, oh my gosh, this got quite the views. I like to see that, and I like the sound of that. And then my next video right here got a little over 3,000 views, which is a decent amount of views when you think about it. 3,000 people. That's a lot of people. That's a few high schools. Like, if you really think about it, that's a decent amount of people. So all I did for this video, I added some captions, and it was a leash that was like hands-free. So if your dog like to walk around too much and try to get hit by cars or try to yank you, this is a great leash for small dogs. I don't recommend this one for big dogs and everything. So I just highlighted the products, why somebody would want to buy it, try to entice them into buying it, because they click on this link and buy, boom, I'll earn $11. So you just want to communicate, okay, why would someone want to buy this and everything. So I did around, let's see here, 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I did 13 different videos throughout the month for this challenge. And let's go over to my analytics because it's time that I show you how much I made from this. So I'm gonna go over to TikTok shop so I can bring up my analytics. So I did this from around February 14th all the way to March 14th. So let's do these analytics and hit done. And starting off, as you can see, I got over 60,000 views, which is a decent amount of views. You know, nothing went crazy viral and got like, 500,000 views or 1,000,000 views or anything, but 60,000 views, that's a lot of people still. And I got 337 product clicks. So this means that, somebody seen a video, one of my videos that I made, and they clicked on that product. That's what that basically means. And then as you can see, $0 from that. Yes, I sold 0 items, $0 in commission. Out of all of them people, 60,000 product views and 300 something clicks, $0. I didn't get any sales on any of the products I promoted. I don't know if it was me, I don't know if it was TikTok, but it just didn't go well for me. As you can see, over the 13 videos I created and the 60,000 views in over this month, yeah, it did not go good. That was my end result. 60,000 views, 300 product clicks, and $0. So my final review of TikTok affiliate marketing, it can be quite difficult because if you're using SEO, which is search engine optimization, my favorite, that's where you put your websites on Google. Basically, they rank on Google for a certain keyword. So let's say I wanted to rank a keyword for bedding, for different sheets and pillows and blankets and stuff, and have a website for that. I can do that, and I know exactly who's going to be searching that up, because when you go over to Google and search what is the best bedding for a queen size bed, my website will come up if I ranked for that. So I can target that audience the same way it goes for like Pinterest. If you're on Pinterest, if you want to find some coffee on Pinterest, you're going up to that search bar and you searching up coffee. So it's easy, very easy to target the audience. You can have like 500 people that visit your page and you might get like 10 sales just off of them 500 people. And as you can see, I got over 60,000 product views and over 300 clicks, because you can have 100 clicks and make like 4 or 5 sales. So yeah, it didn't go good. But yeah, I just don't feel like you can target an audience really good. You would have to go, like, I would say, get like 100,000 views, 500,000 views, or 1,000,000 views per video, in my opinion, to really like crack open this and make a lot of money with it. And it's not that easy to go viral. It's kind of up to the algorithm, at TikTok's algorithm at that point. People aren't searching for this. They're just scrolling on TikTok, like, oh, cool video, bro. That's basically what their mindset when they're scrolling through TikTok, versus like someone that's actually searching up that product, like, I need some new bedding or some more coffee or something, So I just feel like that's a big, influence on it. So if you're trying to go for a TikTok affiliate marketing, I'm not saying you shouldn't, because still free products and you still can make some money off of it, because you might have a video to get 1,000,000 views and you make like 10K off of it. Who knows? So that was my final results with TikTok affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. I've been doing it for years, but it's a little more less strategic on affiliate marketing. It's like a little more luck that plays into it, if you don't get picked up by the algorithm versus, like the other methods I've seen. So just take that into consideration. If you want to put together a strategy, it will be a little harder on TikTok, in my opinion. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you do want to start something like drop shipping or affiliate marketing, I do have free guides, and I'll put the link in the description if you want to read them. So I wish you good luck on your online income journey, whatever you're doing next, and until next time.